So what relationship is Andrea Ford to the decedent?
Daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law?
Yes.
Okay.
Same address as the son in Maryland.
Huh?
Same address as the son in Maryland.
Okay. And Laura Lee Ford lived on Rena Street in Beaumont. But I noticed that the affidavit of assets doesn't have a home on it.
We not put a real estate on there?
Good morning, Ms. Ford.
Good morning.
Can you hear me okay?
I sure can. Thank you.
Okay. So you are in Maryland?
Real estate.
Yes, I live in Maryland.
Is it cold?
Very cold.
Oh, okay. I missed it down
Because
the
it's
bottom.
Not your kind of cold in Texas, but it's cold.
All right. If you will raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay, I will turn it over to Mr. Vernon to question you.
So you've seen a document titled Proof of Death and Other Facts,
Yes.
and everything in there, to the best of your knowledge, and it is true and correct, and it's within your personal knowledge.
Yes.
And you've asked if there's a will, and you haven't been told there is, correct?
Right.
So to the best of your knowledge, there is no will.
There is no will to the best of our knowledge.
All right.
Okay, so, and so you are the spouse of Shannon Ford, is that correct?
Yes.
And, so I take it you're, let me see. Where is Cambridge from, like
Or on
Baltimore?
the eastern shore of Maryland, very close to the Atlantic Ocean.
So you're north of DC?
More east, a little bit up and east.
Yeah.
I used to live in DC. I lived in DC for several years.
Okay, gotcha.
After I left Beaumont, Texas.
All right, so you are going to sign your proof of death and other facts in your oath before a notary public up there. You then return those to Mr. Vernon. When you get those back to Mr. Vernon, I'll sign the order granting letters of dependent administration and setting a bond. I have your affidavit of assets, which shows $30,000 in personal property, a home, and have y'all looked at his home for any statements from any banks or anything like that?
Well, the issue is that his sister Demetris has locked everything. We don't have access to anything at this time. She even locked the doors of the home, of the family home, the homestead.
Change the locks.
Okay. So
So
all right, then I expect I'll see y'all again then.
Yes.
All right. All right, we'll get those done. I am going to give Mr. Vernon 2 documents, court instructions for the attorney in the dependent administration, as well as instructions for you.
Right.
We'll get him to email you copies of these. I'm going to need you to sign these and send them back, and Mr. Vernon will sign them and refile them. After all that's done and you send him your signed proofs and everything, then we'll get the order entered, and you can then begin to administer the estate.
All right. Well, thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right. Y'all have a great week, and we will talk to you a little bit later.
Yes, we will.
I hope not, but
yeah,
probably.
well, probably, likely.
Odds are.
All right. Bye-bye.
It's today's date.